I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her. The things that you learned from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you always do what's right. And we just took a while until my worries disappear. I'll tell you that I'm scared of turning out a failure. You'd say, remember that the answer's in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, and I would ask them if I could take you home. But I know what they'd say, that it's for the best. So I will live life the way you taught me and make it on my own. I will close the door, but I will open up my heart. And everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it is just till we meet again. So much has changed since you've been away.
Sana'y di magmaliw ang dati kong araw, nang munti pang bata sa piling ni nanay. Nais kong maulit ang awit ninang mahal, awit ng pag-ibig habang ako'y nasa duyan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang dati kong araw, nang munti pang bata sa piling ni nanay. Nais kong maulit ang awit ninang mahal, awit ng pag-ibig habang ako'y nasa duyan. Sa aking pagtulog na labis ang himbing, ang bantay ko'y dala, ang tanod ko'y bituin. Sa piling ni nanay lang Hindi kita malilimutan, hindi kita pababayaan. Nakaukit magpakailanman sa aking palad ang iyong pangalan. Malilimutan ba ng ina ang anak na galing sa kanya? Sanggol sa kanyang sinapupunan, paano niya matatalikdan? Ngunit kahit na malilimutan ng ina ang anak niyang tangan, hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may di pababayaan. Hindi kita malilimutan, kailan may di pababayaan.
Malilimutan ba ng Diyos Ama na ikaw ay katumbas ng buhay niya? Mula ika'y sanggol, inalagaan niya. Paano niya matatalikdan? Minsa'y ating nakakalimutan na tayo ay nanggaling sa Kanya. Hindi Kanya malilimutan, kailan may di pababayaan. Hindi Kanya malilimutan, minsan siya'y iyong iniwanan. Hindi Kanya kinalimutan, kahit madalas mo siyang talikdan. O kay buti mo, Panginoon, kailan may hindi kami pinabayaan.